Loading. Okay, we have swapcase, cleverly named. Okay, swapcase is a challenge from HackerRank. So the current app you see here just has two inputs and the submit button and the reload over there. The functions we're going to be focusing on are not so big. It's just this function here and this one here, right? Because they solve our swap case issue. So the challenge on HackerRank looks like this. It's the swap case. So of course I will not show the correct answer for this one. It is an easy problem. I'll just show basically what the challenge is. You just have an input right there, and then you need an output with swapped cases basically. So we're gonna take it, we're gonna swap the cases we need, not all of them like this one, but the use could be like this for something else that you need, maybe some code or some deciphering or whatever I wanna do. And then the constraints, we have 0 to between 0 and 100, the length of the string. Yours could be more, but yeah, so okay, there it is. We're just going to demo it quickly. Okay, so I'm gonna have user one. Let's say the username was user1, and user1 at, I'm gonna say email, right? So we are having like demo data here. This would be if maybe you decide to type in caps and we have to format it for you, just for maybe a post or something like that. It wouldn't be safe for an actual login because then we change it for you, except for the email part, because email has to be lowercase in most cases anyway. So we have it. Only the first changed, right? The first letter changed. Then the rest stayed, and then the rest went to lowercase. Then this one, the entire thing went to lowercase. Okay. So if I was to put in, let me reset it. Okay. Okay. So this is the one we're focusing on. Okay. So we're gonna start here. Right here we pass a string s. Okay. And then we just check the length of s if it's between 0 and 1000. Okay, we initialize a new string right here. After initializing the string, we'll loop through the original string length. Okay, and then we just check one condition. If it is uppercase, once we check if it's uppercase, we then we turn to lowercase, or we just return as it is. Okay, we could have just looped through it because it's similar to what I built for the swap case in HackerRank, but this wouldn't be necessary. I guess in this case you just basically go through each and every one, don't even check if it's uppercase, just convert everything to lowercase. Okay, so we're just doing this because of the similarities I have to my swap case HackerRank challenge. And then we have swap case first value. So to change the first value, you could easily do it, of course, but then because of the layout being similar to what I did in HackerRank, I just went through the loop again, did the same thing, passed the string. This one, remember, is for the username. We just want the first letter to be uppercase and the rest to be lower. Okay, so this part here, we just then take the first letter. Okay, there's a difference between this one and that one. Just take the first one, okay, and then change it to uppercase 0, right? After I change it to uppercase, then we would take this one and then change it to lowercase. Everything else must be lowercase. So how do we do that? I'm just gonna plug it. Okay, I'm just do that manually to lowercase. Don't know when I removed it, but yeah, there it is. Then this would work in this regard to keep everything lowercase after the first value. Okay, so There it is. It's the first one and the second one, but the main is this over here. It's different from that one, but it does serve the same concept. So yeah, that's it. We're just gonna reload it again just to test it. Okay. It should operate well, because even though I didn't run it, it runs the previous one which was loaded. Okay, I think I just did a redo. Okay. First user, right? I'm gonna copy that. First user and email. So what is the expected result? We expect all lower cases. We expect only F to be uppercase, the rest lower. Okay, submit. So it works. First F is upper and the rest are lower. These ones are all lowercase. Okay, keep that there. Okay, for the resources, we have the project on GitHub. Okay, and then for the images, basically, I'm not gonna scroll down so it shows the images, but I'm just gonna show basically where it comes from, right? You can go and support its pixels. So let me just come here. Let's just do that. Okay. And .com. Yeah. So the artist is Nappy, following total views some 12.2 million, and then all-time rank 53, and yeah. So the next one should be ready. The next one is definitely a medium project, so yeah, that should be ready soon.